how to install or access the Google Notes on Android. So if you don't have your Notes application on your Android device, and if you want to access the Google Notes, or if you want to install the application, then what you need to do is simply open up your Play Store. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection, and then if you open up your Play Store, you'll have this kind of interface. So go for the upper right, and you need to go for the search and search for Google Notes. And once you've searched, here you will have Google Keep or Notes and List. What you need to do is simply tap on install button, and once you tap on install, it will start the install process, and it might take some time depending on your data or your Wi-Fi connection to download the application. Once it's downloaded, you can simply go for open, which is on the right side, and once you tap on open, it will open the application. It will take you to the login page, or it will take you to the create page, so that you can create your account or log into your account and use your Google Notes. So that's it. That's how you can download and install Google Notes on your Android device. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.